Give me 3 minutes and I'll change your entire mindset forever. First of all, you know you're smart, you know you're capable, you know that you can be the best version of yourself. I'm just reminding you the obvious fact. You are capable and you are talented. You have to start seeing yourself like that. I truly believe that every single one of us is born with a purpose. Every single individual has their own capabilities, their own unique talents, their own unique skills. And if you can hyper-fixate, hyper-focus and figure out your true purpose, follow your callings, I'm telling you, you can manifest literally anything you want to. That is why you get thoughts related to them. That is why you have those inner callings, those inner intuition, that inner feeling, that knowingness that, of course, I deserve it, or of course, I'm meant to have this. That is why it's in my mind. Like every single desire that I have had in my mind, I was able to actualize it just by delusionally feeding and convincing my mind of the end state. I just believed with certainty that it's meant for me. Like it is possible for me to have that dream life. And that is exactly what I actualized in my life. Back in 2022, I don't know if you've seen any of my videos at the beginning where I literally told you guys that I was jobless, I was financially broke, I was mentally, emotionally extremely sad. I was in so much pain. But one fine day, I just decided, let me alchemize that pain. I have had enough. When you hit rock bottom, congratulate yourself because that's the best time to rewire your mind and get anything you want. There are people who achieve the impossible when they hit rock bottom. The only reason, they know that they have nothing to lose. They take the biggest leaps, they take the biggest risks because they have nothing to lose. So why not just try? According to quantum physics, there are infinite versions of you that are possible. So there are infinite realities where you can be any version of yourself. You can see a version of yourself that's sad, that's depressed, or you're just going through a breakup. Whatever your situation is, if there is a version of you that is somewhere lacking or somewhere failing, then you can see a version of yourself that has every single desire that you want. I am literally living some of my wildest dreams this year, and the only reason is I decided it in my mind. I mentally convinced myself that it's possible for me. No, I'm not more talented than you. I'm not smarter than you. Don't even think I'm way more hardworking than you. That's not the truth. The truth is mindset. I just convinced myself and brainwashed my mind into thinking I'm going to get it no matter what. That's exactly what I do and why I post so consistently on YouTube, because I mentally fixated on the number 1 million subscribers. My channel is not close to 1 million subscribers, but in my mind that has already happened. I already have 1 million subscribers, so I have to show up like that person. That's all. Your thoughts can literally rewire your identity. It can literally shape your entire reality. So when you know that, start thinking thoughts that work in your favor. Start having that delusional mindset that everything always works out for you, no matter what situation you are in. Convince yourself, force yourself to believe in the end state. Convince yourself that anything you want, it is possible for you. All you have to do is take that aligned action. That's all. And trust me, you guys, once you upgrade your self-concept, every single thing in your life changes. I am a living proof of that. You would have met me in 2022, you wouldn't have wanted to be my friend. Trust me. So if I upgraded my self-concept and every single thing in my life changed, I'm sure you can do it too. I have an entire course that teaches you how to upgrade your self-concept, and it comes with more than 50 affirmation tapes that you can literally listen anytime you want to and saturate your mind into thinking that anything, literally anything is possible for you. I will leave a link to that in the description box below. Check it out. So that was it for today's video, you guys. Believe in yourself because I believe in you. Lots of love. Bye.